Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some super simple, easy, just like 5-minute summer hairstyles. Hairstyles where you'll look super put together, super fast. These hairstyles are perfect for the beach, perfect for summer vacations. And they're also great for like that 3rd, 4th day hair where like you need to do something to style it to disguise like some of the grease that's up top, if you guys know what I'm saying. I feel like we've all been there. Also, I'm not a hairstylist, so if I can do these hairstyles, you can do them. That's how easy they are. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Janelle Mariss. Love you guys, and without any more rambling, let's jump into the video. Also, sorry about my background. I'm filming a lot of videos today because I'm moving out tomorrow, so that's why this looks a little crazy. So don't mind this. Anyways, let's get into the video. Alright, so starting off, I just have like these kind of like beachy waves going on in my hair. I do plan on doing a tutorial on this hair look soon. I actually already filmed the tutorial, and then I filmed like 4 videos already today, and then I accidentally wiped my memory card. So now I'm refilming all of those videos now. So the hair tutorial got cut because now my hair's already done. We'll have a video on it soon. But basically, I just use my bed head waver and then just like toss some mousse in there, and that just gave me these really nice textured wave. I definitely recommend like either doing waves like that or just sleeping with your hair in a braid, because I feel like when you have texture in your hair, it just makes it way more summery, and it just gives like a whole other vibe to these hairstyles that I really like. So my first hairstyle is actually super simple. All I'm gonna do is kind of like take a section about this big, do that with like a little comb. And like with these hairstyles, I don't try to keep it like perfect. I just try to go for that like tousled kind of beachy look. Once I have that hair separated, I go ahead and like tie my back portion of my hair so that way it's out of the way. Where's my rubber band? Rubber band, man. Wow. So then what I do is I go ahead and take this section and part it down the center. 2 parts. The center part doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it can be if you want it to be, but I never have it be. Then all I do is I just start like twisting it back like this. And you could like braid it back if you wanted to too. I just find that the twists are so much quicker and easier to do. And then I just take like these small black rubber bands. That way you can't really see it. Whoops, I just broke that. And then you just wanna tie it. This is like one of my favorite like super easy hairstyles. It gives you like the effect of a braid, but just like so much easier. So I'm just gonna do the same thing to this side. I'm just twisting it back, and then as I'm twisting, I'm picking up more hair like that. You can release your other hair. And I just like to give it a little spray. You can add some bobby pins if you wanted to there, if like there's hair sticking up. But what I always like to do is bring down my baby hairs. So I just take like a spoolie, comb them down, and then just spray them. And then just do the little swoop-de-doop. And that to me just helps like disguise my large forehead. That's why I do them, but yeah, this is one of my favorite, like just super easy hairstyles. And again, whenever I'm on that like 3rd day hair where the top of my hair is greasy, but like the rest of my hair is fine, this hairstyle is perfect because I just disguise the top by like twisting it back and you're good to go. So for this next hairstyle, I like to do a side part, like starting right about here. So just take the comb. And so then what I'm gonna do is just tie this side of my hair out of the way with a hair tie. And then what I like to do is just take my thumb, and instead of going straight back, I'm gonna kind of go back at an angle so that my hair is like swooped like this. So I'm just gonna kind of go back to about here, and you can try to perfect the part a little bit more if you want with like a comb. But again, I never try for these hairstyles to be perfect because they're never going to be, since I'm not a hairstylist. So I take about this much hair, And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and braid this section in like a small French braid. If you don't know how to French braid, I will leave like links to French braid videos down below. Or if you guys are interested in seeing me make a French braid video, I can try. I'm just not the best French braider, but I'll do my best to kind of explain. You wanna start by doing a regular braid. And I just go through like the braiding motion twice. Then before I go back to doing my braid, I'm just picking up a piece of hair from each side as I go, and that's going to give you more of that French braid finish. Once I have it partially French braided to about there, I go ahead and just braid the rest normally. And I just braid it down about halfway. I don't go all the way to the bottom. Then I just secure it again with like little black rubber bands. And then you're just left with this super cute braid. You can either just leave it like this and do it on the one side, but I like to do it on this side too. But for this side, I just take a smaller section of hair. So I'm only gonna go like about right here and then just repeat the same process. I'm gonna tie some of the hair out the way so it doesn't get in the way when I'm trying to French braid. And again, just starting as a regular braid, and then I'm just slowly picking up hair as I go. And then just bring it to about here, and then I'm just gonna tie it with an elastic. You can go ahead and spray them if you want, but I just love this hairstyle. I think it looks so cute, so beachy. You can wear this to the beach, you can wear this pretty much wherever, and it just gives like an extra fun twist to your hair. So for this next style, it's super simple. It's just all about accessorizing your hair with like a cute scrunchie. So that's what I've been loving to do lately, just adding like pretty scrunchies like this to super simple hairstyles, and just makes it so summery, makes it look like you tried when really you're not trying at all. And I like to start by just pulling forward some bangs like this. So I'll part my hair down the side and then just pull some like small front bangs forward to arrange my face. Also, don't mind if you see some like white fluff. That's just from the hairspray in my hair, since I'm doing all these hairstyles and I keep adding hairspray. Then I'm gonna take my thumbs like right at my temple and just kind of like go back and separate this hair. And I'll just put the rest in like a scrunchie or something for the meantime. And then all you're gonna do is just twist back each side. So I'm just going to start a hair twist and just slowly bring it back. I'm just adding more hair to the twist as I go. And again, just taking a small black hair elastic. I'm gonna tie it so that it stays while I twist my other side. This twist done, now onto this side. You can see I'm just like slowly picking up hair and adding it to the twist as I go back. And then if you have any pieces sticking up like that, that's fine. You can go ahead and just add a bobby pin to hide it. Like that. But then I'm just gonna take like the two little twists that I did, bring them together and add this really pretty hair bow. You can add a hair bow like this, or you can add a pretty hair clip, like summery vibes in the back, some decoration. I'm gonna go ahead and use this though, because I just think it's so cute. Boom. And yeah, this is a super easy hair look. Honestly though, normally when I do this, it's less bulky. I would actually recommend grabbing less hair to twist back, but it's still super easy and quick to do. And the bow just gives it like a really pretty detail to the back. Alright, and then this last one is super simple, super easy. You can literally do this in your sleep. It's literally just like a messy bun with a cute scrunchie. But what I like to do is just pull down some pieces here, and then I just bring all of my hair up. It just gives the messy bun or your ponytail some added dimension. And this is like my favorite hairstyle to wear like to the beach or outside when it's super humid out. I want my hair out of the way, but I still want to look cute and not like I just rolled out of bed. I'm gonna twist my hair in a normal bun. Spray the edges down just to get rid of some flyaways. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but then just go ahead and add like a cute little scrunchie like this, and it just takes your simple normal bun to a way more fun level. Look how cute that is. And then, like, you know these little cockroaches that you get in the back? If you want to put those away, instead of using regular black bobby pins, you can use some like cute statement clips like these. These are my favorite gold ones. Put those in the back, and then that way not only does your hair look cute from the front with your scrunchie, but now you got like a cute little accessory to your hair in the back. And voila. Look how cute and summery that is. I just think it looks so cute, so messy and tousled, but just like perfect for summer. All right, you guys, so that wraps it up for my super simple, easy summer hairstyles. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys end up trying any of these out. If you guys did like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload. I love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!